How do you actually start an Instagram account for your small business and grow it step by step? That's exactly what I will share in today's video, so let's get started. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business, how to make more money online, and the best business tips for beginners. So if you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So you have a small business that you just started on Etsy or on your own website and want to start marketing on Instagram but have no idea how. Well, in this video I will share step by step what are the steps you need to take Instagram marketing to the next level for your small business. That will help you attract your target audience and get more sales. So let's get started. If you want to start Instagram marketing on the right foot for your small business, you need to keep in mind that you need high quality content. Your photographs, videos are super important if you want to attract an audience. Even if you are just at a beginning and you don't know how to take professional photos, in this video I will share step by step how to set up a home studio for your business and how to take your own photos of your products. That will help you get that high quality Instagram content for your account. Now, if you're a small business that sells digital products, you can design high quality templates for your services or for your products in Canva. So there are things that you can do to have high quality content on your Instagram account because you want to stand out among competition even as a small business and a small account. The next thing you need to keep in mind is that if you want to grow your small business with Instagram marketing, you need to optimize your account for business. Besides optimizing your Instagram account for your business, you need your business to be properly optimized. So if you want to attract new clients to your small business, you must have a professional website design for your business, listed products with high quality photos, and more. And then you need to optimize your Instagram account for SEO and for business in general. You need to add an SEO optimized title, create a custom profile image of your logo maybe, add your profile bio or description, and different lines that explain what your business is about, what you sell, and important information for your clients. An easy to remember username that leads to your brand, and unique profile highlights that are optimized for your brand. You can learn how to do all of these things step by step in this playlist right here. Now let's talk about posting. What should you be posting on Instagram as a small business if you want to grow it? In a few words, everything. Meaning experiment with all types of content on Instagram and be active every single day. Post regular posts, carousels, Instagram reels, and stories. All of the content that you post on Instagram must include your product or must include behind the scenes of your business or must be related to your product or business in some way. Now, how do you need to post? Because posting is not enough. You will need to make sure that all the pieces of content that you're posting are high quality and most importantly that you optimize them with relevant captions and hashtags before you post them. And in the playlist that I mentioned, I also show you how to create those captions and those hashtags for your posts. Now let's talk about when and how often should you post on Instagram to actually grow your account. More important than when you post, it is what you post. So again, keep that in mind when creating your content. It needs to be related to your brand, to your product, and it needs to attract your target audience, so your target viewer or customer. How often should you post on Instagram? Every single day. I suggest posting stories every single day, one reel per day if you can do that, regular posts 3 to 4 times a week, and tag products in them. If you want to learn how to start an Instagram shop for your small business, I share how in this video right here. Another thing that can help your Instagram account stand out even as a small business is building that cohesive, aesthetically pleasing feed. And in this video, I share exactly how to do that step by step, how to edit your photos, how to arrange them in a feed before posting them on Instagram, and more. Now, when should you post? When your audience is most active. And you can see that from your business analytics in your Instagram account, and you can see the hours that people are most active at. But again, more important than when to post is what you post and how often. So you need to stay consistent if you want your Instagram marketing to bring you leads to your website and sales. So there you go. This is how you use Instagram marketing to boost your sales in your small business. If you're looking for more tutorials on how to grow on Instagram, how to open a shop, how to appeal a rejected shop, and much more, you will find them on my channel. So if you enjoy that type of content, make sure to click the subscribe button below. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at lydia.incomingsuccess for more such content on growing online and making more money. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.